everyone, welcome back to Power Tool Review, your go-to channel for the coolest tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the 21 genius woodworking tools on Amazon that can completely transform your workshop and take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools are designed to improve accuracy, efficiency, and creativity in woodworking. From precision measuring gadgets to powerful clamps and portable tools, you'll find something to make every project easier and more enjoyable. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Saker Woodworking Chamfer Plane. The Saker Woodworking Chamfer Plane is perfect for creating smooth, precise beveled edges on your woodworking projects. Its durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort for extended use. This plane allows you to chamfer edges effortlessly, whether working on furniture, cabinets, or decorative trim. Its adjustable blade depth ensures consistent results and makes it suitable for various wood types. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store in your workshop or toolbox. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, the Saker Woodworking Chamfer Plane enhances accuracy and adds a polished finish to your projects. With this tool, every edge looks professional and clean, saving you time and effort on sanding and finishing.
Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. The Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool is a versatile companion for marking precise lines on wood, metal, or plastic. Designed for accuracy, it features adjustable settings to replicate contours and angles for perfect cuts every time. Its lightweight, durable construction ensures longevity and comfortable handling during extended use. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture building, and general woodworking, this tool simplifies layout tasks that typically require multiple instruments. The multifunctional design replaces multiple marking tools, reducing clutter in your workshop. Whether tracing irregular shapes or transferring measurements, the Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool guarantees precision and efficiency. A must-have for woodworkers who value speed, accuracy, and clean, professional results in every project. Woodworking Sharpening Stone Set. The Woodworking Sharpening Stone Set keeps your chisels, plane blades, and knives razor-sharp for precise cuts. With multiple grit options, it allows you to perform coarse sharpening, fine honing, and polishing with ease. The stones are crafted from durable materials to ensure consistent results and long-lasting performance. Each stone sits securely on a non-slip base, preventing accidents during use. Whether you're restoring old tools or maintaining new ones, this set guarantees optimal cutting performance. Compact and portable, it fits conveniently in your workshop or toolbox. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, the Woodworking Sharpening Stone Set ensures your tools perform like new and helps you achieve flawless woodworking results every time.
Little Giant Combo Ladder. The Little Giant Combo Ladder is a versatile, heavy-duty solution for reaching high spots safely in your workshop or home. Its modular design allows it to transform from a step ladder to an extension ladder or scaffolding support. Made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it's easy to carry and store without sacrificing stability. Non-slip feet and secure locking mechanisms provide confidence during use, even on uneven surfaces. Ideal for woodworking tasks like installing cabinets, trimming moldings, or working on tall furniture, this ladder combines flexibility, safety, and durability. Whether tackling DIY projects or professional jobs, the Little Giant Combo Ladder is an indispensable tool for any workshop environment. Flip-out Power Screwdriver. The flip-out power screwdriver makes assembly and disassembly tasks fast and effortless. Its compact, lightweight design allows you to access tight spaces while maintaining full control. Equipped with multiple torque settings, it can handle everything from delicate cabinetry to robust furniture construction. The battery-powered mechanism ensures continuous performance without manual strain, and the rechargeable battery lasts for hours of use. It includes interchangeable bits to fit a variety of screws, enhancing versatility. Perfect for both professional woodworkers and hobbyists, the flip-out power screwdriver speeds up projects while reducing fatigue. With ergonomic design, power, and convenience, this tool is essential for anyone looking to work smarter, not harder.
Jorest Contour Gauge Tool. The Jurist Contour Gauge tool is ideal for replicating irregular shapes and curves with precision. Its adjustable teeth conform to the contour of any surface, allowing you to transfer patterns accurately to wood, metal, or tile. Durable and lightweight, it ensures reliable performance for repeated use. Whether cutting flooring, fitting moldings, or crafting custom furniture, this tool saves time and increases accuracy. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store in your workshop. Perfect for woodworkers who need precise template replication, the Jurist Contour Gauge tool is a versatile, time-saving accessory that guarantees clean, professional results for every project.
Loggerhead Bionic Grip Wrench. The Loggerhead Bionic Grip Wrench provides maximum torque with minimal effort. Its unique design adapts to various bolt sizes, reducing slippage and improving grip. Constructed from high-strength steel, it offers durability and long-lasting performance even under heavy-duty conditions. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, minimizing hand fatigue. Ideal for woodworking, furniture assembly, or mechanical applications, this wrench simplifies fastener tightening and loosening tasks. Its adjustable design reduces the need for multiple wrenches, saving space in your toolbox. Compact yet powerful, the Loggerhead Bionic Grip Wrench is an essential tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficiency, reliability, and precision in every project.
Hedgehog Featherboard Table Saw. The Hedgehog Featherboard Table Saw is a must-have safety accessory for table saw users. It keeps wood securely pressed against the fence, preventing kickback and ensuring straight, accurate cuts. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it offers long-lasting performance and stability during repeated use. Adjustable and easy to install, it fits most table saw models and accommodates various cutting angles. Perfect for professional workshops or home hobbyists, this featherboard enhances precision and reduces the risk of accidents. By maintaining consistent pressure and alignment, it ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. Safe, reliable, and practical, the Hedgehog Featherboard Table Saw is an essential tool for woodworking safety and efficiency.
Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil Set. The Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil Set is a versatile solution for accurate marking and layout work. The flat, durable design prevents rolling and allows for precise lines on wood, metal, and other surfaces. The set includes multiple colors, making it easy to differentiate measurements or markings on complex projects. The high-quality graphite resists breaking, ensuring consistent performance, while its ergonomic shape provides comfortable handling during extended use. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture building, and general woodworking tasks, these pencils make layout work fast, precise, and easy to see. Compact and durable, the Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil Set is a must-have for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers seeking reliability and accuracy in every project.
Craig K4 Pocket Jig. The Craig K4 Pocket Jig is perfect for creating strong, precise pocket hole joints in woodworking projects. Its innovative design allows accurate drilling without complex setups, making it ideal for cabinets, furniture, and DIY builds. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while adjustable settings accommodate different material thicknesses. The jig includes clamps to hold boards securely, minimizing movement during drilling for cleaner, more professional results. Compact and portable, it's easy to store or move around your workshop. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, the Craig K4 Pocket Jig simplifies joinery, improves accuracy, and enhances the overall quality of your woodworking projects with minimal effort.
Saker Portable Mini Chainsaw. The Saker Portable Mini Chainsaw is perfect for cutting small to medium-sized logs, branches, or woodworking materials. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the sharp chain ensures clean, precise cuts. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience and flexibility for indoor or outdoor projects. Safety features such as chain guards and ergonomic handles provide secure operation. Ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, or professional woodworkers, this mini chainsaw saves time and effort compared to manual saws. Portable, efficient, and durable, the Saker Portable Mini Chainsaw is a versatile tool that adds power and convenience to any woodworking or garden project. Milescraft Center Finder Tool. The Milescraft Center Finder tool simplifies locating the exact center of boards, pipes, and round materials. Its unique design ensures precise measurements, eliminating guesswork and reducing errors.
durable construction provides reliable performance for repeated use, while its compact size allows easy storage in any workshop. Ideal for layout tasks, drilling, and woodworking projects that require accurate centering, this tool improves efficiency and results. Perfect for both hobbyists and professionals, the Milescraft Center Finder tool saves time and enhances accuracy. With its practical design and dependable performance, it's an essential gadget for woodworkers who value precision and consistency in every project.
Dowel 6-inch dial caliper. The Dowel 6-inch dial caliper is a precision measuring tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. With easy-to-read dial indicators, it provides accurate measurements in both metric and imperial units. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the smooth sliding mechanism guarantees reliable, repeatable readings. Perfect for measuring thickness, depth, and internal or external dimensions, it's suitable for furniture, cabinetry, and other woodworking projects requiring precision. Compact and portable, it fits easily in any toolbox or workshop drawer. Accurate, reliable, and easy to use, the Dowel 6-inch dial caliper helps woodworkers achieve perfect fits, precise cuts, and flawless results in every project. Craig KFS Multi-Purpose Blocks. The Craig KFS multi-purpose blocks are versatile accessories for clamping, spacing, and supporting woodworking projects. They're made from durable, high-quality materials. They provide stability and prevent marring surfaces during assembly. These blocks are compatible with various Craig jigs and tools, enhancing functionality and convenience. Perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, and DIY projects, they ensure accurate alignment, consistent spacing, and safe handling of materials. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to store and bring to different workstations. Practical, durable, and user-friendly, the Craig KFS multi-purpose blocks simplify complex woodworking tasks, improve precision, and increase efficiency for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. 3H Adjustable Cabinet Jack. The 3H Adjustable Cabinet Jack is an essential tool for lifting, supporting, and installing cabinets with ease. Its adjustable height and stable platform allow precise positioning, reducing strain and minimizing errors during installation. Constructed from heavy-duty materials, it offers reliable support for cabinets of various sizes and weights. Perfect for kitchen, bathroom, or workshop projects, it simplifies lifting tasks and improves safety. Compact and portable, it fits easily in a workshop or vehicle for transport. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, the 3H Adjustable Cabinet Jack saves time, reduces effort, and ensures accurate, secure placement of cabinets every time. DeGlazer's Digital Angle Finder. The DeGlazer's Digital Angle Finder is a must-have for woodworkers needing precise angle measurements. Its digital display provides accurate readings and degrees, making it perfect for cutting, assembling, or laying out angled joints. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while the compact design makes it easy to carry and store in your workshop. With a 360-degree rotating head, it measures both internal and external angles with ease, eliminating guesswork and reducing errors. Lightweight and user-friendly, it features a simple button interface and auto-off function to save battery life. Perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, or DIY projects, the DeGlazer's Digital Angle Finder enhances precision, saves time, and improves overall craftsmanship. Every woodworker who values accuracy will appreciate having this reliable tool in their arsenal. Festool Quick Clamp 168mm. The Festool Quick Clamp 168mm is designed for fast and secure clamping during woodworking projects. Its ergonomic handle and quick-release mechanism allow you to hold materials firmly without wasting time adjusting. The durable steel construction ensures strength and longevity, while the 168mm jar width accommodates a wide range of boards and components. Ideal for gluing, assembly, or temporary support, it keeps parts steady and aligned, ensuring clean and accurate results. Lightweight yet robust, the clamp is easy to handle and store in your workshop. Perfect for both hobbyists and professionals, the Festool Quick Clamp 168mm improves efficiency, reduces frustration, and guarantees stability in every woodworking task. With this tool, clamping is faster, easier, and more reliable. Bora Universal Mobile Base. The Bora Universal Mobile Base makes heavy woodworking tools portable and easy to move around your workshop.
Compatible with table saws, planers, and other stationary equipment, it features sturdy casters and adjustable leveling feet for stability during operation. The durable steel frame supports heavy loads while maintaining smooth movement across floors. Its compact design allows storage under workbenches when not in use. Perfect for small workshops or shared spaces, it saves time and effort by eliminating the need to lift or reposition heavy machinery. Easy to assemble and reliable in performance, the Bora Universal Mobile Base enhances safety, efficiency, and flexibility. Every woodworker can benefit from having this practical, space-saving solution to move tools with ease.
Craig R3 Junior Pocket Jig. The Craig R3 Junior Pocket Jig is a beginner-friendly solution for creating strong, accurate pocket hole joints. Its lightweight design and easy setup make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts or young woodworkers learning joinery. The jig includes guide holes, clamps, and a simple instruction set to achieve precise, repeatable results every time. Made from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and consistent alignment. Ideal for small furniture, shelving, or decorative projects, the R3 Junior helps woodworkers save time while improving joint strength. Compact and portable, it's easy to store in a workshop or toolbox. With the Craig R3 Junior Pocket Jig, building reliable, professional-quality joints has never been easier or more accessible.
Digital 16-foot measuring tape. The digital 16-foot measuring tape combines the convenience of a traditional tape with modern digital technology. It provides accurate readings instantly on a clear digital display, reducing errors and improving efficiency. The 16-foot length is ideal for most woodworking projects, from furniture to cabinetry, while the durable casing protects against drops and wear. Simple buttons allow switching between metric and imperial units, and the lock function holds measurements securely for easy transfer to your materials. Compact and portable, it fits comfortably in your pocket or toolbox. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists, the digital 16-foot measuring tape ensures precise measurements, faster workflow, and accurate cuts every time, making it an essential tool for any woodworking setup. O-School Dowel Jig Kit. The O-School Dowel Jig Kit is perfect for creating precise, strong dowel joints in woodworking projects. This kit includes adjustable guides, clamps, and alignment tools to ensure accurate placement of dowels for furniture, cabinets, and other wood assemblies. Its durable construction ensures repeated use without wear, while the ergonomic design makes setup and operation quick and easy. Compatible with various board thicknesses, it provides consistent alignment and spacing for flawless joints. Ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers, the O-School Dowel Jig Kit simplifies joinery, saves time, and enhances overall project quality. With this tool, every dowel joint is secure, professional, and perfectly aligned, elevating your woodworking craftsmanship.
And that wraps up our list of the 21 genius woodworking tools on Amazon. From precision measuring devices to powerful clamps, saws, and multifunctional gadgets, these tools are designed to make every project easier, faster, and more accurate. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional woodworker, these products will improve your workflow and elevate your craftsmanship. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and details. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another top product review from Power Tool Review. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!